Hit that red button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kartia Velino. Just in case you stumble into this channel, we do fashion and style. We talk about skincare and every day's woman's life. So guys, today I want to do, so in today's video we're going to be talking about the kind of outfit you need to wear to hide your midsection. If you have lots of skin or big midsection, the kind of outfits that I'm going to be sharing today is what you need to embrace to help you cover up the midsection. Again, the best thing to do to get rid of the midsection is to eat healthy and exercise. Control yourself. It's a lot of discipline, self-discipline. However, if you're not able to do those because of one reason or the other, there are so many kinds of styles that I want to share with you, but I am going to tame it down to 3 or 4 different styles to help you cover your midsection. So I am going to stand up to share with you the first style. So the first thing I'm trying right now is peplum. Peplum. So many women have peplum in their closet, but the problem is which style of peplum is cut out for your body type. What I'm wearing right now is a very small 2-layer peplum, and for you to wear use peplum outfit to hide your midsection, you need to get the peplum. You need to make your peplum to start right from the umbilical cord and make it one or two. If you make it so excessively too bulky, it will even make you look more bigger and more rounder around your midsection. Now pay attention to this second option of peplum. This second one, this orange peplum here, is made different from here. So the orange peplum is a different design of peplum than what I'm wearing. So the orange one here is more full at the peplum, and pay attention, it's longer. It starts from the waist down. So what this kind of peplum does is it makes you longer, it makes you look extra leaner, and this orange peplum is not meant for everybody. So if you already have an hourglass, you can go ahead and choose the orange peplum. But if you want to hide some skin around your midsection, you go with this one. Here, it's always better to wear volume on top and skinny at the bottom, or you alternate. You can wear volume at the bottom and straight on top. So try to mismatch. So those are the 2 different kinds of peplum. I am sharing this with African outfit. For the whole week, I feel like for the whole week I have been wearing African outfits, even when I'm cooking in the kitchen. It's my birthday week and my theme is Africa Princess. So let's go ahead and look at the next option of outfit. So the next option is a simple no-brainer that you can wear a bigger shirt, but not excessively oversized big shirt, something that is still very classy, and keep it simple and add a little bit of color to your lower bottom. So you can wear black, you can wear any color, you can even wear any color on top, but try to make the lower end smaller, skinnier, more fitted upper than the upper part of your body. What this is going to do is going to help to hide your voluptuous stomach under the shirt, still making the entire look very classy and very sophisticated. And always the key to elegancy is to wear high heel. It doesn't have to be 5 inches long. If you cannot wear 5 inches, heel down to about 3 inches. It doesn't have to be all the way to 5 inches. And again, wear plain. Do not wear heavily over designed shoes. And you're good to go. Office, church, anywhere, meeting, you are all dressed to go. We're going to move on to talk about a dress, a full dress. So let's see what I have in the package for number 3. So let's talk about going to party, events. You have an option of wearing pleats from top to bottom, but make sure it's a little bit stylish and a straight dress. But the key thing here is to buy something that doesn't really hug you in your midsection. This outfit is not very fitted and it's not very loose. So over here in the midsection, it's not necessarily straight. However, it draped. The top portion of this outfit drapes down. It's going to help you hide your excessive skin, extra bloated stomach, still making you look elegant. This is very elegant. It's very, very timeless. You can wear this to any event, occasion, Sundays, christening. Just, you see the way it's draped? Yes. So do not go for things that is going to hug you all over your tummy. If you go for things that hug you around your tummy, it makes you to look more bigger and much rounder. So what do you guys think about this choice of outfits? Remember the rule of thumbs. If in doubt, wear black. So you can never go wrong with black. Black will make you look much smaller. Now the style of this black outfit. Now let's look at the style and the details of this simple black but yet elegant. It has elastic at the bell button, so you don't need a belt to rock this outfit. This elastic here is very tiny. It gives you it tries to accentuate your waistline, so anybody can wear this outfit. Hourglass, voluptuous people trying to hide your midsection or not, you can wear this. It flatters anybody figure, any silhouette. This black outfit here will do the job, because I love the details at the neck area here, and the sleeve also has elastic which you can pull up. So you can pull it up or you can pull this down. This outfit goes for any time of the day, morning, afternoon, office. You can rock it. It's very, very cool on your body. So it hides everything from stomach to behind. If you don't want your behind to jiggle as well, this is the kind of outfit you want to rock. But pump makes any outfit to stand out. I keep repeating that. You do not have to wear 6 inches or 5 inches. Keep it down to 2 or 3 inches high heel. Now let's do the last one. Now let's do the final one, but not the least, of how to hide So moving on to the next one. The last but not the least is this freestyle. Very free, but yet the outfit, the fabric is designed, but I think there's a lot of elegancy in this style. I call it the freestyle. Freestyle, it lets hides everything inside, but the attention goes on the sleeve of the outfit. So I love this outfit. It's easy to wear. It's very summery. It lets air get into everywhere, and it's going to help hide all the excess skin, fat, small, big. This is an outfit to go for. So guys, if you like this video, give it thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5. Which one do you like the most, and why do you choose that one? So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, hit that red button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye. Love you guys.